Now let us begin our today's session. So dear friends, in the last lecture we have seen type number 4 and the some problem based on that. Okay. Now we will start the next type, that is type number 5. Type number 5. Okay. So in this type, if the integral of the type, if the integral of the type integral of the type integration of limit 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 divided by a plus bx raised to m plus n and dx, then we shall use substitution that is bx equal to at divided by 1 minus t, or you can use x equal to a by b tan square theta. Okay, we will put this, and we can prove that integration of limit 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 divided by a plus bx raised to m plus n dx, and this equal to what? Your integral become 1 upon a raised to n into b raised to n and beta of mn. Okay, by substituting this you can prove the integral equal to 1 upon a raised to n into b raised to n and beta of mn. Now further you can prove by applying the relation between beta and gamma function, that is 1 upon a raised to n into b raised to n into gamma of m into gamma of n divided by gamma of m plus n. Okay, so in particular if a equal to b equal to 1, then you will have the integral of limit 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to mn dx, and this is equal to what? Simply beta of mn. Getting? Now let us do the problem based on this, then you can understand it better. So example number 1. Okay, write down. Prove that integration of limit 0 to infinity x raised to 5 divided by 2 plus 3x raised to 16 and dx, and this equal to what? 1 upon 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 6 into gamma of 6 into gamma of 10 divided by gamma of 16. Okay, this thing have to prove, and this type of problem is my favorite type of problem. Let us prove this. For this, what I have to do? We first write down just left hand side. What is the left hand side? Integration of limit 0 to infinity x raised to 5 by 2 plus 3x raised to 16 and dx. Okay, for this what I have to do? Either you use this substitution or use this substitution. I'm using this substitution. So let us see. Put x equal to a by b. Here a is what? Here a is 2 and b is 3. Okay. So we're putting 2 by 3 tan square theta. Now just differentiate this. So dx equal to 2 by 3. So derivative of tan square is 2 tan theta into sec square theta and d theta. Okay. Whenever you use substitution, just change the limit. So when ax equal to 0, so this implies theta is what? Theta is also 0. When x equal to infinity, so this implies that theta is what? Pi by 2. Theta is pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, we will have left hand side equal to integration of limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay. And x, what is the x here? Here x is 2 by 3 tan square theta raised to 5 and divide by 2 plus 3 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 tan square theta. Okay. Now the whole power raised to 16 d theta. Wait. 16 and what is the dx? What is the dx? Your dx is what? This 2 to the 4. We write 4 by 3 tan theta into sec square theta and d theta. Just simplify this. So this equal to 2 by 5. Uh, 2 by 5. I'm taking constant term outside. So 2 by 5 raised to 5. Okay. Raised to 5.
Three, no, three.
Sorry, 3. Yes. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 raised to 5. Integration. This constant is also there. इसको भी बाहर निकालो. So into 4 by 3. Then integration of limit 0 to pi by 2. What is the remaining here? Tan raised to 5. Tan square raised to 5 means what? Tan raised to 10. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tan raised to 10 theta into tan theta into sec square theta and d theta. और यहाँ से इसको हल करो. 3 3 cancel. Now 2 is common. I'm taking 2 outside. So what is the remaining over here? So this become 2 raised to 16. Correct? Power is 16. Na? 2 raised to 16. Here you will get 1 plus tan square theta raised to 16. Theta raised to 16. Now let us move for the next page. Then simplify it further. So next page. So left hand side equal to what? What is that? In previous page 2 by 3 raised to 5. 2 by 3 raised to 5. Then 4 by
4
3.
by 3.
Yes. 4 by 3. Integration of limit 0 to
5 by
pi
2.
by 2. And what is the upper? This is 10 or plus 1. 11. Base is same. With 10 raised to 11. 10 raised to 11 theta into sec square theta and d theta and divide by 2 raised to 16. 2 raised to 16. 2 raised to 16 and 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. The whole raised to what? How much? How much there? 16. How much? 16. Okay. So this is 2 raised to 5, I am writing like this, and divide by 3 raised to 5. Is there any change? No change. By इसको मैं 4 को कैसा लिखूंगा? 4 को 2 raised to 2 लिखूंगा. Just write down 4 as a 2 raised to 2. So this equal to what? 2 raised to 2, and here 3 raised to 1. Is there any change? No change. Or into, I am taking outside constant term. 2 raised to 16 is constant. Taking outside, integration of limit 0 to pi by 2, and we write here 10 raised to 11 theta into sec square.
सर वो सेक नहीं कटेगा?
Just wait. Sec square theta and d theta and divide by, इसको कितना हो जाएगा ये? Sec raised to how much?
32.
32 theta. Okay, sec raised to 32 theta. Then what happened here? So this equal to what? Just simplify this. Base is same. 2 to 2 and 2. 5 to 7. 2 raised to 7 by 3 raised to what? 6. 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 16. Okay. Now integration of limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now just write down 10 raised to 11 theta into, this is what? Sec square theta. This is sec square theta. Then we write here divide by sec raised to 32 minus 2. Is there any change? D theta. Okay. Is there any change? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No. सर ऊपर नहीं लेके जाओगे सेक्स 32 को?
नहीं, इसको पहले नीचे ले लेते हैं, बाद में इससे समझते हैं क्या करने का आगे. Then so this is what? 1 upon 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 16 minus 7. Okay. Integration of limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay. This can be written as 10 raised to 11 theta by sec raised to 30 theta and d theta. So this can be written as what? 1 upon 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to, separate करो, 9.
Yes sir.
हाँ
हाँ सर 9.
9. चलो ठीक है. 9. 2 raised to 9. Okay. And integration of limit 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. And just इसको ब्रेक करो. 10 को लिख सकते हैं हम साइन रेस टू 11 बाय थीटा बाय कॉस 11 बाय थीटा इंटू 1 अपॉन सेक रेस टू 30 थीटा. 1 अपॉन सेक रेस टू 30 थीटा. जस्ट वेट, गड़बड़ हो रहा है. Okay, so divide by what? This can be written as what? 1 upon
multiply by cos 30
1
theta.
upon, yes,
हाँ
this is 1 upon cos
30 theta.
30 theta. ये तो ऊपर जाएगा अभी. And d theta, so this is equal to 7. This is equal to what? 1 upon 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 9 and integration of limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so this can be written as sine raised to 11 theta by cos रेस टू 11 थीटा इंटू ये ऊपर जाएगा इंटू cos रेस टू 30 थीटा cos रेस टू 30 थीटा आणि d थीटा. So this gives 1 upon 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 9 integration of limit 0 to pi by 2 and sin raised to 11 theta and यहाँ से कैंसिल होएगा. So बचेगा cos raised to 30 minus 11. How much this?
19.
19. So यहाँ पे आप लिख दो 19 theta and d theta. 19 थीटा एंड डी थीटा ऐसा आ रहा है. चलो आने दो. Then what? Just apply properties of beta and gamma function. So this equal to what is the right hand side, left hand side? 1 upon 3 raised to 6. 1 upon 3 raised to 6 into how much? 2 raised to 9 into 2 raised to 9, and this is what? Simply trigonometric formula. And what is the trigonometric formula? 1 by 2 beta, and this is what? Okay, this is into 1 by 2 beta of what? P plus 1 divided by 2. Beta of what? P plus 1 divided by 2. That is 11 plus 1 divided by 2 in comma और क्या है 19 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, by using formula. Just again simplify 1 upon 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 10 power इसका 1 है and into beta of that is 12 by 2 into 20 by 2. Okay, this equal to 1 upon 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 10 beta of 6 and 10. Correct? Now apply the relation between beta and gamma function. So 1 upon 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 10. This is gamma of 6 into gamma of 10 divided by gamma of 6 plus 10. Okay, and this is what? 1 upon 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 10 into gamma of 6 into gamma of 10 and divide by gamma of 10 plus of 6 16. I think यही प्रूव करने का था. बोलो. Which is the right hand side?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which is right hand side? Okay, thus you can write like this: integration of limit 0 to infinity x raised to 5 divided by 2 plus 3x raised to 16 and dx equal to what? 1 upon 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 6 gamma of 6 into gamma of 10 divided by gamma of 16. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, like this. This is the very nice problem and very important problem, and this is one of the my favorite problem. ठीक है, चलिए और आपको दो प्रॉब्लम एक एक्सरसाइज के लिए. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. Example number 2. Okay, prove that what I have to prove? Integration of limit 0 to infinity x raised to 4 into 1 plus x raised to 5. Okay, and divide by 1 plus x raised to 15 and dx, and this equal to 2 times of 4 factorial into 9 factorial divided by 14 factorial. ठीक है, ये आपके लिए होमवर्क है. ये कैसे करने का, बहुत ही आसान है. देखो, इसको क्या करना है आपको, ये जो 4x4 है इसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो, और ऊपर देखो प्लस का साइन है, तो इसको सेपरेट कर दो. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर को सेपरेट कर दो, तो आपको 2 बार इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ लिमिट 0 to infinity x4 डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस x15 dx प्लस, और यहाँ पे करेंगे तो 9 हो जाएगा, x9. ठीक है, एंड डिवाइड बाय x प्लस, सॉरी 1 प्लस x15 dx. ओके, और एक एक को सॉल्व करोगे, आपको यही वाला टर्म 2 बार आएगा, तो ऐड करोगे तो 2 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बहुत आसान है. कैन यू डू दिस प्रॉब्लम एट योर होम?
हाँ सर.
हाँ, आसान है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव फॉर next and last type of the problem. Type number this, that is what, sixth. Integral of type, if integral of the type integral of the type integration of limit 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 into 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx, and divide by a plus b x raised to m plus n, then we can prove this, we can prove this integral equals to beta of mn divided by a plus b raised to m into a raised to n. Okay, by substituting x equal to at divided by a plus b minus bt. Okay, and a plus bx equal to what, a plus b divided by a plus b minus bt. Okay, now in particular, if we will have a equal to 1 and b equal to 1. Okay, in particular if a equal to 1 and b equal to 1, then the above integral become what, integration of limit 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 into 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n, and this equal to what, simply beta of m n and divide by 2 raised to m 2 raised to n. And remember this formula. This is the very interesting formula. Okay. Now let us do the example based on this. Then you will understand it better. Example. Example. Prove that integration of limit 0 to 1 x minus 2x square plus x cube and divide by 1 plus x raised to 5. Okay, and into dx, and this equal to what? 1 upon 48. Let us see how. Let us see how. Proof. Okay, just write down the given integral. That is, write down given integral of limit 0 to 1 1x minus 2x square and plus ax cube and divide by 1 plus x raised to 5. Okay, and into dx. This is given to you. And what I have to do first? Just be taking common. What is the common here? Integration of limit 0 to 1. Okay, here x is common in each term. So we taking x common. 1 minus 2x and plus x square and into dx divide by 1 plus x raised to 5. Okay, so this can be written as integration of limit 0 to 1 and x. This is what formula of 1 a minus b the whole square, that is 1 minus x the whole square, and divide by what? Divide by 1 plus x raised to 5 and into dx. Okay, now we will compare this problem by this problem. Okay, so just wait, let us move for the next page, then we will see later it. So let us name this is I, this is I equal to, okay, so we will have in the next page, therefore I equal to what? Integration of limit 0 to 1, I am writing once again, x x then 1 minus x the square whole square into dx and divide by 1 plus x raised to 5. Is this correct? X 1 minus x the whole square, फिर 1 plus x the whole raised to 5. Okay, now what? Now this can be written as 0 to 1. This can be written as 0 to 1 if I write x as a 2 minus 1. Okay, and 1 minus x raised to 3 minus 1 and dx. Okay, and divide by 1 plus x raised to, if I write 5 as a what? 5 as a m plus n. M is what? This. 2 plus 3. Okay, so is there any change? No change. You will get again that result. Okay, but we know that this is what? Beta of mn. Your m is what? Your m is 2 or n is 3. m is 2 or n is 3.
सर वो x is to 2 minus 1 सर ये वाला बताइए कैसे किए?
A,
यस सर.
this is the adjustment. x raised to 2 minus 1 करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 1 ही मिलेगा ना. यहाँ पे देखिए इसका पावर 1 ही है, और इसको 2 कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 3 minus 1 करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 2 ही मिलेगा. तो मैं उस तरह से लिखा हूँ फार्मूला को फिट करने के लिए. ठीक है, and this equal to what? Beta of 2 3 divided by 2 raised to m. 2 raised to m. Here m is what? M is 2. Okay, why is this so? Because, just listen, since I am using this formula, which one? Integration of limit 0 to 1 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 into 1 plus x raised to n minus 1 and divide by 1 plus x here 1 plus x here minus n is there 1 plus x raised to m plus n, okay, and into dx. This is equal to what? Simply beta of m n divided by 2 raised to m. Okay, I am using this result. So just apply this result. Now this is what? 1 upon this is 2 to the 4. Now apply the proper relation between beta and gamma function. So this is gamma of 2 into gamma of 3 divided by gamma of 2 plus 3, and which is equal to 1 by 4. Gamma of 2 can be written as what? 2 minus 1, gamma of 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is what? Gamma of 2 minus 1, that is 1 into gamma of 1, and this is what? Simply if I writing this 3 minus 1 and gamma of 3 minus 1, so you will get 2 gamma of 2 and divide by, and this is 5. Okay, this is 5 and this equal to 1 by 4. Gamma of 1 is 1 into 2, and this 2 again written as 2 minus 1 into gamma of 2 minus 1. So you will get what? You will get 1 into gamma of 1. Okay, and this gamma of 5 can be written as what? 4 factorial. Gamma of 5 can be written as 4 factorial, or you can write like this also by writing this as a 1 factorial, writing this is a 2 factorial. Okay, again you will get the same thing. So gamma of 5 is what? 4 factorial. Just simplify this. So 1 upon 4 into, here we writing 2 and divide by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 4 factorial. So this 2 and this 2 2, and here we write 4 4 just 16, 16 and 3 ja follow 1 by 48. Okay, so
सर गामा ऑफ 2 सर 1 होता है.
gamma of 2 1. देखो gamma of n is what? N minus 1 factorial. We remember this formula. Okay, we remember this formula, or you can apply this gamma of n equal to n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. ठीक है, इसमें बार बार अप्लाई करते जाओगे तो आपको फैक्टोरियल में ही मिलेगा वो. तो मैं इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग दिस यूज हियर दिस फार्मूला इन द डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर बोथ. Okay, have you understood or not? Should I repeat it again?
No, sir, understood.
हाँ, किसी को डाउट इसमें? बोलिए बोलिए फटाफट. फिर से रिपीट करो
सर. नीचे से तीसरी लाइन वापस बताइए ना कैसे लिखे.
फिर से रिपीट करूँ यहाँ से. देखो
सर.
हाँ, देखो
सर उसको डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते हैं ना, 2 माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल 3 माइनस 1
हाँ भाई,
फैक्टोरियल.
आपको समझ में आ रहा है तो ठीक है, जिसको नहीं समझ रहा है उसके लिए क्या करने का. देखो this equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now I am using here formula gamma of n equal to n minus 1 factorial since. Okay, please remember this formula. So this is what? 2 minus 1 factorial, and gamma of 3 can be written as 3 minus 1 factorial. Okay, and this is simply gamma of 5. So this equal to 1 by 4, and this is 2 minus 1, that is 1 factorial, and this is 2 factorial, and divide by what? This can be written as what? 4 factorial. Okay, same region. So this is 1 by 4. 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial can be written as what? 2 into 1, and divide by 4 factorial written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and these 2 and these 2 2. and this equal to what? 4 4 ja 16 and 16 3 ja how much? So this equal to 1 by 48. Now you got it? Now you got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आसान है, सिंपल है, आप कर सकते हो। ठीक है, अभी इस तरह से आपका ये प्रॉब्लम पूरा हो गया और चैप्टर ये फिनिश हो गया, मतलब कि ये टॉपिक फिनिश हो गया। ओके, और शुड आई गिव वन प्रॉब्लम एक्सरसाइज? लेट अस राइट डाउन द एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम। आसान प्रॉब्लम मैं दे रहा हूँ आपके लिए। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, so that integration of limit 0 to 1 1 minus x raised to 4 the power 3 by 4 and divide by 1 plus x raised to 4 square. Okay, and here we write dx, and this equal to write down 3 pi root 2 divide by 16 into 4th root of 2. You have to prove this. Very easy and simple problem. This is exercise for you. What have to do in this problem? What have to do in this problem? We just simply put x raised to 4 equal to t. Okay. So this problem reduced to in standard form. Okay. Then you can solve this. I hope you understood how to solve this problem. Okay. This is not in standard form, so that you cannot apply the formula directly. Okay. This is not in this form. So first of all, you should reduce this problem in standard form, then use the formula. I hope you understood this, how to solve. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
डियर, हाँ, अब इसको जो ट्राई करते रहिए, घर पे सॉल्व करो, एक्सरसाइज करो, ताकि आपका कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से क्लियर होता रहे। मैथ्स को तभी आप लर्न कर सकते हो जब आप खुद से करोगे तभी, अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट लर्न मैथमेटिक्स विदाउट डूइंग योर सेल्फ। ओके,